Let's continue, dear children. Sixth question. Each of the numbers 1, 5, 6, 7, 13, 14, 17, 22, 26 is placed in different circles below. The numbers 13, 17 are placed as shown. The average numbers in the first three circles, middle three circles, and the last three circles are same. The number placed in the shaded region will be how much? Yes, Yatharth, tell me.
Sir, can I say the answer, sir?
Yeah, ठीक है.
Sir, I got the answer as 6.
Okay. So what's your logic?
Sir, what I did, I added 17 plus 13, so I got 30. And then I checked by each number, so 31, then 35, then 36. So I checked that which number is divisible by 3. So 36 is the only number divisible by 3.
So first you added. Okay. Yeah, that actually makes sense. So basically, okay, all three sections are having same additions. Sorry, all three sections, when you add them, the sum is same basically. In this case, so first let's add them. Yatharth, tell me.
Yes, sir. So I added, sir, 17 plus 13, so I got 30. And then, so 30 plus 1 is 31, so it's not divisible by 3. So then 30 plus 5, then 30 plus 6. So I did like that.
Okay, okay. Now let me explain. So 13 plus 17 is 30. Okay, you should remember that. Now, first of all, let me add all these numbers. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 7 is 19, 19 plus 13 is 32, 32 plus 14 is 46, 46 plus 17 is 56, 64, no, 56 and 63, and 63 plus 22 is 85, 85 plus 26 is 111. So, but 111 is, yeah, it's divisible. So 111 is the total sum. So when you divide 111 by 3, you get 30 and 21, 7, 37. 31, sorry, 37 is the sum. So this should also be 37. This should also be 37. This should also be 37. Over here, I already have 30. So the remaining part should be 7. Hence, your answer is 7. So by solving, you can get the direct answer as well. Yes, sir. I think you have already said. Now you can put your hands down. Proceeding further. 7th question. A car traveling with 5 by 7 of its actual speed covers 42 kilometer, and so they have given distance, they have given time, and the speed is only 5 by 7 of its original speed. So basically, uh, distance upon time is equal to 5 upon 7 of the original speed. So this is the formula you have to use. The only thing is, what you'll have to do, since the time is given us in hour, minutes, and seconds. So technically speaking, either you will have to convert it into decimal points, that is 1 point something, or you'll have to convert everything into seconds. Okay, so that the solving will be easier. With the decimals and all, the solving would be difficult. Hence, you'll have to convert everything into seconds, and then you'll have to reconvert it into kilometer per hour. So first of all, your distance is going to be 42,000, since it is in kilometer. I'm converting it into meter, and the time is going to be 1 hour. 1 hour is basically 3,600 seconds plus 40 minutes. 40 minutes is 40 multiplied by 60. That will be 2,400 seconds plus 48 seconds. So when you add them, you should get 48 in the last two digits, and then you 6 plus 4 is 10. 3 plus this gives you 6. That is equal to 5 upon 7v. Now, when you solve this, I'm not going to solve this because, or maybe I can solve, not a problem. So when you solve this, you'll get v is equal to mm, 5 roughly. So 18 by 5, you should get some value less than 5. It's some value less than 5. So I think it's what number can you cancel? It's a big number actually. So the answer 18 by 5. I'm doing an approximation over here. Wait, just a minute. Divided 0.48 divided by 7. So basically 6048, I'm just reducing the number. 6048 divided by 7 gives you 864.
Sir, I am
And
getting 9.6 as V.
it should be something less than 5, a little bit less than 5. 4 and some fraction, mixed fraction. I'm just coming to that point. So when I take this 5 down, I get 4320. So 42,000 divided by 4320, 0 gets cancelled, is equal to V. So reduction करके just thinking what cancellation factors. 4 से तो जा सकता है 4. So when I cancel with 4,
So it is approximately 9.7.
let me just check. 525. When I cancel with 8, I get 525 here. And then when I cancel this number with 8, I get 54 here. And further cancellations possible again. 54, 3 का table.
Yes, sir. 3 का table.
है ना? हाँ. So 525. Okay, I'll just write
175, sir. 175.
अच्छा, I'm directly writing then 175. Okay.
Sir, the answer is coming 9.7222.
Yeah, I think you're correct. 9.7 something. ठीक. Looks like that only.
Sir, the total actual speed will be 17.6 by 7 kilometer per hour.
So
Sir, it will be
175.
like 175 on 8. was
So
I
54
was
divided by
cancelling.
3 is 18. Further cancellation, is it possible?
Sir, I
3,
did till 125 divided by 18.
wait, 120, it should be 175 divided by 18, not 125.
175 only. Sir, I
It
got
should,
125. I did.
no, some mistake
Sir,
you
I
might
am
have done. See,
getting
I've solved
9.6 as
everything.
175
Hold on,
divided
hold
by
on.
18.
Everybody,
I'll
okay,
check
everybody
once
please
again.
maintain silence. So I've done calculations step by step, so you can just cross verify your calculation at each step where you might have done some mistake. So anyway, the speed so far is 175 divided by 18, which is in meters per second. So when you convert it into kilometer per hour, you basically multiply by 18 by 5. Okay, you can cancel this 18 from here, and 175 divided by 5
Sir,
should give
35,
you
sir. 35.
35. Yes, speed should be 35.
So from where did you get 18 upon 5?
18 upon 5 is the conversion factor. It's a fixed value.
Okay, sir.
मतलब
Oh
whenever you
yeah,
wish
right,
to
right,
convert,
right. Yeah, my bad. Yeah.
Sir, 175 upon 18.
Sir, I've just have one question, sir.
tell me.
Sir, where did you get that 4320 from?
4320 is basically 864 multiplied by 5.
And sir, so then where did you multiply 7 with?
I
42000.
got, I cancelled 7 with 6048. 6048 divided by 7 is 864. That's how I got 864 in the first place.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So can you explain again how did you get 4320?
See, first of all, I cancelled 7 with 6048 to get 864. Then I took this 5 to the other side. It came to the
Oh, you took the
denominator.
5 down. Sorry, I got it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll erase this in a minute. Okay. I'm erasing this now. Eighth question. A, B, and C started a business. It was agreed that A would invest 6,500 for 6 months, B 8,400 for 5 months, C 10,000 for 3 months. A wants to be a working member for which he has to receive 5% profit. They made a profit of 7,400. Calculate the share of B in the profit. So it's like, see, obviously trial and error is one method. Apart from that, I'll do the solving part over here, so that logically it will help you to understand this problem. So whatever profit they are going to get, out of which 5% is going to go with A apart from whatever he is investing. So basically A is going to get two profits. One, for the amount which he has invested, he will get profit. Apart from that, additional 5% उसको मिलेगा because he is also working. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ पैसा डाल के बैठ गया है. Because the other two guys, they have invested the money, but they are not working. A is invested the money plus he is working. Hence, he'll get one share of profit for the investment and another share of profit for the working he's doing. Okay. Now, out of this 7,400, the investors are going to get only 95% because the 5% is going to remain with A itself. So the 95% of 7,400. How much is that going to be? Let's check. So it's 74 multiplied by 95. That should be 7030. So 7030 is the actual profit they are going to get. मतलब they are going to the investors are going to divide amongst themselves. अब investor किस ratio में divide करेगा, that we have to find. Now speaking about A, let's find the ratio of A is to B is to C. There are three investors, right? So the A's investment is basically 6,500, which he has invested for 6 months, multiplied by 6 it is to B's investment is 8,400 multiplied by he has invested for 5 months, is to C's investment is basically 10,000 multiplied by 3 months. So, normal ratios mein how do? We do cancellations. But whenever we do cancellation for the first number, we also do the cancellation for the second number. जैसे numerator and denominator दोनों जगह से we cancel numbers. Similarly, we can cancel from here also. But when we are cancelling anything, we'll have to cancel from all the numbers, not only two numbers. For example, in this case, when I'm cancelling these two zeros, I'll be cancelling from all three numbers. So the first step is I remove two zeros from all the three numbers. Now, as a part of the second step, what I can do is I can take out 5 from all the numbers because this 100 is also having 5, 65 is also having 5. Here also there is a 5. Okay. Now I'll use a different thing to take out 5 so that there is no confusion. I'll take out 5. I'll be left with 20. I'll take out this 5. I'll take out 5 and I'll be left with 13. So 13 multiplied by 6, there is 84, there is over here. Now what I can do, I can take out 3 also. I can take out 3 from here. I can take out 3 from here and I'll be left with, how much I'll be left with? 28, I suppose. Yeah, 28. I can take out 3 from here, then I'll be left with 2.
So then
Okay.
you take with 2, no?
Then I can take out 2 also. अरे वाह, बढ़िया है. So instead of, ठीक है. So I'll use pink color ink now. So I'll take out 2. I'll take out 2. I'll take out 2. Now whatever numbers I'm left with, I'll just write it down. Yep.
Or
2
13 is to
divided
4 is to
20.
10.
Sorry. One person at a time.
Yes, sir. 20 divided by 2 is 10. No, so you have written 2.
Oh, my bad. 10. Yeah.
So
Here I'll
13
write
is to 4.
13 is to 14 is to, over here I have 10. So this is the ratio. Okay. So so basically how many parts are there? There are 13 plus 14, 27 plus 10, 37 parts. Out of 37 parts, A is going to get 13 upon 37 and B is going to get 14 upon 37 is what B is going to get of the total profit which they were going to share. So your answer should be when you cancel this, you'll get 190. When you multiply it by 40, you should get B's value to be 2660. That's your answer. Proceeding further. 9th question. So, half the people in a room left, 1/3 of the remaining started to dance, 12 people were not dancing, the number of people. I think you can manage this as a homework. Going to 10th question. The figure given besides ABCD is a square with side length 17. ABCD, side length 17. Okay. The four triangles, ABF, ABF, DAE, BCG, and CDH are congruent. मतलब ये side same है, ये side same है. Okay. ये side same है. ठीक. And given that FB is equal to 8, FB is equal to 8. So if this is 8, wait, I'll erase, okay, I'll erase everything. So if this is 8, then obviously this is going to be 8, this is going to be 8, this is going to be 8. ठीक है. And find the area of the shaded quadrilateral. That's going to be an easy problem for us because of the congruency. Let me call this as X. This is 17. Pythagoras theorem से solve हो गया, आंसर ही आ जाएगा. Okay, so I'm going to give this as homework. Take one triangle, use Pythagoras theorem, find the x, and you can easily do x square and find the area of the shaded portion. Okay. Yep. Going to the 11th one. So I've just given you a hint. You can just write down the numbers and so that we can discuss the 11th one then. Okay. Proceeding further with the 11th one. If 3 by 5, wait, I'll just take this. Yeah, if 3 root 5 plus 1 root 125, root 125 can be written as 5 root 5 for your kind information. Okay. So कुल मिलाकर it's 8 root 5. So the data they have given is basically 8 root 5 is equal to 17.88. Now is equal to this much. Then what will be the value for this? So I already have 6 root 5. This 80 can be written as 5 into 16, right? 5 into 16. Yeah. So this can be written as 4 root 5. So 4 root 5 plus 6 root 5 is basically 10 root 5. So I have 8 root 5's value. So that gives me root 5 is equal to 17.88 divided by 8. So that means the 10 root 5 can be written as 10 multiplied by 17.88 divided by root 5. Oh, sorry, not root 5, divided by 8. And I think you can get the answer. 88.
Option 3.
22.35. Correct.
Sir, can you tell the answer for the question 10?
Question 10.
Sir, I got 49.
Sir, I also got 49.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 49
So the next
can be
question
the
is very
correct
easy.
answer. Yeah. Yeah, 49 should be the correct answer. Even the next question is
Sir,
manageable.
can you show the solving of question 11 just for a second?
Sure.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Question number 12, it's manageable. I believe you can do it. So question number 12 and 13. 12 is homework. 13 is A and B working separately can do so and so job if they work alternately. Well, again, similar problems we have already done, so I think you should try this also. 13th one.
No, I
14th.
couldn't do the 12th question.
Okay. Okay. Fruit seller makes a profit of. Did you try just now or had you tried before?
I have tried before.
Fruit seller makes a profit of 20% by selling oranges. If he charges 1 rupee more for each orange, he would be able to make a profit of 40%. So 20% profit is equal to 1 rupee. That's the logic. You get my point? 20% profit is equal to 1 rupee.
Yes, sir. So like
Which
20% of x plus x is equal to 1.
See, simple logic. 20% of profit is equal to 1 rupee. Profit is what? Selling price minus cost price. है ना? Or profit is what? 1 minus CP upon SP.
PP upon.
This is 1 rupee. From this, you will get a relation between cost price and selling price. And from there, you can continue.
Sir, can you tell why 1 upon CP upon SP?
Because SP minus CP upon SP is the actual fraction. SP gets cancelled, you will get 1 minus CP upon SP.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Or simple logic, if you say if 1 rupee is the profit, a 20% profit, so किसी भी चीज का 20% अगर 1 rupee है, then the cost price straight away is 5 rupee. Because 5 का 20% is 1 rupee. I hope you understand this logic.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir, yes.
And cost price अगर 5 rupee है, that means selling price in the initial case was 20% more than it. So selling price should have been 6. So in the initial case, the answer is 6. Okay. Now, let's go to the 14th problem, dear children. So 14th problem में a ring of alternating regular pentagon and a square is constructed by continuing this pattern. How many pentagons will be there in a complete ring? So let's find like in each set how much of angle is covered. Okay. So from square to pentagon, when they are attached together, so there is a small shift. Initially, it should have gone like this, but instead it's going like this. So ऐसे जाते जाते it has to cover 360 degree. That's the whole logic. Now, how much is this? Now you know that for a pentagon, this
So
total
the
angle is
interior angle of the pentagon minus the 90 degree.
this is 108 degree in short. So 108 may say when you remove 90 degree, this particular angle you'll be getting 18 degree. So there is an 18-degree shift when like between square and pentagon.
360 divided by.
Correct. But there is one more catch. After pentagon, again, when it goes to square, it's again an 18-degree shift. है ना? Yeah, it's the same logic. It's an 18-degree shift.
Answer is
should-
20, right?
Wait, just let me just confirm. It's
Answer will be 10
It
or
will be 10. It will be
10.
12 because the before square is also changing and the after square is also changing.
correct. So it's again an 18-degree shift. So from one shape to another shape, it's again an 18-degree shift. So when you consider this as a pair, because of this whole pair, there are the 18-degree shift is going to happen 2 times. So total shift is 36-degree shift. So how many pairs do you need to complete the circle? To complete the
10.
circle, the number of pairs you require is, yes, you're absolutely correct, 360 divided by 36, that is 10 pairs. And in each pair, there'll be one pentagon and one square. They are asking how many pentagons we require. The answer is 10. 10 pentagons. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
I did it like now in the figure they have given, there are totally 5 parts. So if we take this figure as 1/5 of the ring, then this figure will come 5 times in the ring. So like
No,
in
no, no. It's not a
each figure,
guarantee that.
the pentagon will be 2 times. So 2 into 5 is 10, like that.
No. See, technically speaking, this figure is not going to be the 5 times. No. This will be the 5 times. But this multiplied by 5 is your answer. But eliminating this.
Yes, sir, like that only.
Huh.
Sir, can you explain this question again? I didn't understood anything in this question.
Sure.
Sir, I wanted to ask if we subtract the addition of 90 degree plus 108 from 360 because that we can use formula 180 into n minus 2 upon n, which is equal to 360 minus 90 plus 108.
नहीं my dear child, you don't have to complicate so many things. Simple चीज है याद रखो. First of all, pentagons. This angle in a pentagon is 108. Okay, you should know that. मतलब you know the formula. I'm not going to reiterate the formula since we are हमारे पास इतना ज़्यादा time भी नहीं बचा है. So interior angle of this angle of the pentagon is 108. So over here from square to pentagon when the shift is happening, इतना देखो कि how much is this surface shifted. So this surface का shift कितना, this particular angle it is. So when I make this particular angle, this is 90. From 108, when I remove 90, I'm left with 18 degree. So which means this surface has shifted by 18 degree. Okay, ऐसा shift it has to go till 360. But this shift happened when the shape, when we traveled from square to pentagon, this shift happened. But again pentagon से square वापस आना है. So again 18 degree will be shifted. So because of this pair of square and pentagon, 18 degree shift is happening 2 times. So total shift happening is 36. So ऐसे pairs जितने भी लगाएंगे उतना ही shift होता रहेगा. So in order to complete one circle, let me say I am going to have n number of pairs. In one circle, the total shift required is 360, and each pair is going to give me 36. When I divide them, I get 10. So 10 pairs of square and pentagon I'm going to have. So 10 squares I'll be having, 10 pentagons I'll be having. The answer is 10.
Sir, but it should be 20 now because 360 divided by 18 it should be, right?
360 divided by 18, if you are considering only one shape.
No, sir. A square and a pentagon. Why you
No,
took 36?
because, beta, see, from one shape, from square, when you are going to the next shape, the angle changed is 18. So 18 is only for the square, not for the pentagon. Now from pentagon
Yes.
again, if you are going to the square or to the next one, the shift is again 18. So when you're combining
Okay,
both the shapes, it's 18 plus 18, 36.
okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. So this I'm 15th one I'm giving as homework. By
Sir,
the way,
is the answer the third one?
this is not a homework
Yes,
because
sir.
I've
Even I
already
got
solved
third.
this.
Yes, sir, even I got
Yes,
third
sir,
one.
even I got third.
Yeah, option 3 is your correct answer.
Yes, sir. Option 3.
So 12th one is not a homework technically because I've already solved. 15th one is homework which you have already done. I can see that. So my dear children, that's all for this day. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
So bye, sir. Good
Thank you,
night.
sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Good night.
Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Good night.